Blue. Pink. Green. Purple. Yellow. Brown.
Thank you! Peggy, can you move a bit so I can find the eggs?
Hi everyone, welcome to Rainbow Dream Art. I am Amanda, and I am so excited to draw and dream with you. Here, we turn imagination into colorful creations with fun and easy art tutorials. Whether you love rainbows, doodles, or magical designs, there's something special waiting for you. So get your colors ready and let us make some art together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more dreamy drawings every week.
Pink. Green. Red. Yellow. Blue. Orange.
Thank you!
Well done. Now let's play.
Hi everyone, welcome to Rainbow Dream Art. I am Amanda.
purple.